Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 3, that is eating habits of animals, and I told you there are 3 eating habits in animals. Okay, so those are the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. What are the herbivores? The plant eating animals are called as herbivores, and cow, ox, goat, etc. These all animals are the examples for herbivorous animals. Next, what are carnivores? The flesh eating of animals. The flesh eating animals are called as carnivores. Okay, so the examples for carnivores are lion, tiger, etc., crocodile. These all are the examples for carnivorous animals. Okay, now the last one is, what is that? Omnivorous animals. Okay, so what are the omnivorous animals? The flesh eating animals as well as the plant eating animals are called as omnivorous animals. Okay, so some examples for omnivorous animals are human being, bear, crow, etc. These all are the examples for omnivorous animals. Okay, so except these, we discussed that how do animals eat, because different kinds of animals eat different kinds of foods. So they are having some different kinds of teeth structures. Okay, some animals are having sharp front teeth which helps them to tear the flesh easily. Some of the animals are having grinding teeth, back grinding teeth, which helps them to eat the leaves of the plants easily. Okay, so some of the animals gnaw. Okay, and some of the animals do not have teeth, so they swallow the whole food at a time. Okay, so next, some of the animals suck the blood. They just suck the blood from the other animals because those are having some mouth structure. They are having sucking tubes for that purpose. Okay, some of the animals lap up their food. Okay, because those are having tongue structure which helps them to lap up the water and milk easily. Such kinds of some examples for lap upping the milk or water is cat, dog, you can say. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some of the fill in the blanks from this lesson that is present in the page number 133. 133. So just open the page number 133 and take a pencil in your hand and see. I will tell you the answers. So what is the first question is that, you can see this green table. Okay, green one. So the first question is, rabbit dash their food. Rabbit dash their food. What they do with their food? First one is rabbit gnaw their food. Okay, gnawing food. So such examples for gnaw their food is like a squirrel is there, rabbit is there. Okay, they just gnaw their food. Okay, so rabbits gnaw their food. Write down. This is the first one. Then gnaw their. Now the second one, lizard dash its food as a whole. Lizards swallow its food. Okay, snakes, lizards, chameleon, some of the animals are there which just swallow their food at a time. Okay, so lizard swallow its food. After this third one, some herbivorous animals chew the dash. Some herbivorous animals chew their food. Okay, chew the food. Next, fourth one is, tigers have strong dash teeth. Tigers are having grinding teeth, strong grinding teeth. They are having strong grinding teeth in the back side. These tigers are having sharp front teeth to tear the flesh, and these animals are having back grinding teeth which helps them to chew the food or to grind the food. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks. After this, today we are going to discuss about food chain. Food chain. Okay, so what is food chain? In the living world, all animals feed on other animals or plants and in turn become food for other animals. All the animals, not some of the animals, all the animals are depend on another animal, for their food, for their needs. Okay, and also this animal is also eaten by some animals. See, now tiger will eat deer, is it? Tiger will eat deer. Some other animals will eat tiger also. Okay, so this is called food chain. You can see the picture, you will get idea. You can see this picture. Okay, now in the first picture, that is grass, second picture is grasshopper, third picture is frog, fourth snake, fifth one is eagle. I will explain how it works. So this grasshopper eats grass, is it? This grasshopper insect eats grass. Okay, so next this frog eats grasshopper, this frog eats the grasshopper. Okay, next who will eat this frog? Snake. This snake will come and eat the frog. Next one more bird is there who will eat the snakes. Okay, next eagle. Eagle eats the snake. Eagle eats the snakes. Snake eats frog. Frog eats grasshopper. Grasshopper eats grass. This is called food chain. This is called food chain. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಎನಿಮಲನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಗೂ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ depend on each other for their food, directly or indirectly, but all the animals are depend on each other for their needs and for their food. Okay, so that is called a food chain. That is only called the food chain. The chain of eating. What is that? The chain of eating. The chain of eating and being eaten. And being eaten. And being eaten is called food chain. Okay. Is called food chain. What is food chain? The chain of eating and being eaten. The chain of the chain of eating and being eaten. ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ತಿನ್ನಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಸನ್ನು ಯಾರು ತಿಂತಾರೆ? ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಹೋಪರ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಹೋಪರ್ನ ಯಾರು ತಿಂತಾರೆ? ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ತಿಂತದ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ just write down write down a food chain. First one is grass. Okay, this is grass. Who will eat the grass? Grasshopper. Is it? Grasshopper. Now who will eat the grasshopper? Frog. That is frog. Okay. Next, who will eat this frog? Snake. And who will eat the snake? Last one, eagle. Okay. So this is the food chain. The process of eating and being eaten is called as food chain, and this is the food chain. Okay. So next, it's time to answer one more small box is there. You can see a green one. Yes. Complete the simple food chain anta kottara. One chain kottara. So you should complete that food chain. First one ಏನದ? Grass. That is, what is that? I will write here. It is grass. Okay. That is GRASS, grass. And who will eat this grass? Yes, rabbit will eat. Rabbit. Okay. After that, in kottara O anta kottara. So rabbit ana yaru tintara? Dog tinಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? Yes, dog. So this grass is eaten by so this grass is eaten by rabbit, and this rabbit is eaten by dog. The same thing happen here. The grass is eaten by grasshopper. The grasshopper is eaten by a frog. Okay, and this frog is eaten by what is that? Snake, and at the last this snake will eaten by eagle. Okay, so this is the food chain. Just complete it. This is grass, rabbit and dog. Okay, so here this lesson is finished. Okay, so in this lesson we discussed about what are herbivores, what are carnivores, what are omnivores, and what are their methods to eat, their eating habits. Okay, and what is lapping? What is lapping? Taking up liquid. Taking up liquid with quick tongue movement is called as lapping. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಾಲ್ಗಿಲೇನು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ನೀರಾಗಲಿ ಹಾಲನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ನಾವು ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ here this chapter is completed. In the next class we will discuss question and answers of this lesson, which is there in the page number 134. Okay, try to answer these questions by yourself because you already understood the lesson. Okay, so try to answer these all questions by yourself. If after that you will not get the answer, I will discuss. Okay, I will tell you the answer in next class. True or false is there. Okay, fill in the blanks is there, match the following, next answer the following questions are there. Many more questions are there actually. So these all things we will discuss in the next class. Read this lesson properly for one time, you will get the answers, you will get all the answers easily. Okay, so I will continue in the next class.